Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing something truly special, my brand new Apple Hermès Watch Series 10 watch. This is the ultimate blend of tech and luxury, and I couldn't wait to just post this and share it with y'all on my YouTube. Let's open this up. The box is awesome. This is Hermès again, and it comes with a stylish box. I ordered this beauty through the Apple Store on the app, and of course it cost me $1,300. All right, let's go ahead and open this box up. In the back here, it says include Apple Watch, sports band, a USB-C cable, power adapter sold separately, requires iPhone XS or later with iOS 18 or later. Acceptance of software license at apple.com. Honestly, this is a nice box. I like the way they packaged it. Very luxurious of them to do that. Watch in Hermès with the buckle. This is the bracelet that I'm gonna be using. Let's go ahead and open this. All right, so you see this is where the band is going to be. It says the same thing, watch in Hermès. Let's go ahead and open this up. So we got it out the box, two sides, and dig in here. So this is the first side of the buckle. This is the other side, which is stainless steel. Looks very fire. Oh my god, it looks nice. This is really nice. So on the back it says stainless steel RG0274. So this is the other side of the band. On the other side, it gives you basically like instructions on basically how to slide the band. I always keep my boxes just in case I do sell the product. I have the box to go with it, so I keep a lot of these boxes in my closet. So let's go ahead and put this back in here. We'll stay with the band outside. So let's talk about the band. This is the black single tour band that I got from the Apple Store. Made from waterproof molded rubber, perfect for like when you're on the go or even if you're in a pool. Plus from the buckle here, what buckles it up, seems like it can secure this very good. So I had several type of bands. You had this one, which was the stainless steel band, which with that one you'll probably be paying almost $2,000, but I wanted something that I could wear basically every day. I didn't want to wear stainless steel every day, so I don't mind having the stainless steel buckle, but the band black, it will be able to match with everything. Honestly, that's why I got it. But I did think about getting that. Who knows, maybe in the future I'll buy the band, the stainless steel band, so that I can switch off. This is the one that I got. They had different colors. These are the different bands that they had available. Again, the one in the middle was the most expensive one. So again, they had it for 42 millimeters and 46. You see the prices there. So for the 42 millimeter, you would pay $12.49 or $104 a month for 12 months. The 46 was $299, paying $108 a month for 12 months. So it was just $4 more if you wanted to pay it a month, but it wasn't really a difference. Might as well just go big, unless you have a small wrist. The band that they had was the Grand H. So this is the one that I was saying that it was very expensive. As you see, is $1,949. Adjustable stainless steel link with the H motif and butterfly clasp. This was for $19.49 or $162.41 a month for 12 months. They had the Torsade single tour knitted band. So this was a knitted band in rich saturated hues. They had it in blue, they had it in red. And this one was very cool because it's like knitted. Very cool. So they had navy and they also had like a reddish color, and this is the one that I got. I ended up getting the Kilim Single Tour, made from waterproof molded rubber and features a deployment buckle, which is stainless steel. They had them in different colors. They had them in beige, they had them in black, orange, navy, like a blue, it was like a lightish, it's like a navy blue or midnight blue, and then a green. Honestly, I really liked this one and this one. So very good choices. I like the style of the band. I honestly liked it. As you see, it says Hermès right in the buckle. So now that you were able to see the band that I'll be using, let's go ahead and open the other side. Let's open the Apple Watch. Great packaging, great packaging. I'm not complaining. This is where the watch is at. And here it says Apple Watch Hermès Series 10, 46mm silver titanium, designed by Apple in California. The silver and titanium Apple Watch 10 Hermès edition. So this is the front. Watch is right here, designed by Apple and Hermès in Paris. So it also comes with the orange band, along with the black one that I bought. So I do have two bands. I probably won't be wearing this orange one, but it's good to know that I'll be having an extra pair of bands. So we'll keep this in here because I won't be using this. It also comes with the charger. This one charges it a lot better, and it's a USB-C charger. So this should be able to charge it way faster than the one that I had. I used to have an Apple SE, which I gave away to my mom, but she'll be using it now for the gym. This is the Apple Watch right here. It's covered up right now. This is the GPS Cellular model with a stunning 46mm titanium case. Just look at that sleek, polished finish. Absolutely gorgeous. And the Hermès branding makes it really stylish. So let's go ahead and add these bands to each side. The first band there. The other one. Super fire again. Let's go ahead and set this up with my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So we started off with pairing it, aligning it with the viewfinder above, and I'm setting it up as a new Apple Watch. It's most likely gonna be on the left side, so I'm gonna select left. Continue, connecting to the Apple Watch. Don't add a passcode. I don't really need a passcode for now. I'll think about maybe getting a passcode in the future. Now I'm selecting the text size. We bolden it as well. And now I have my settings set, my date of birth, sex, height, weight, and if you're either in a wheelchair or not. So sleep. Learn about your sleep and other measures of health when you wear your Apple Watch to bed. Protect your sleep. Your device will dim their screen to help you stay asleep. Get reminders. You'll get notifications to wind down before bed. Charge your Apple Watch and update on how you slept. Track your sleep. Apple Watch can track your sleep, heart rate, wrist temperature, and respiratory rate. See overnight vitals. Get insight into your health and a notification if your overnight vitals are out of your typical range. Turning that on. Your Apple Watch microphone can measure sound level without recording audio and notify you if they might affect hearing, which is a great feature. You also get safety, so emergency SOS, fall detection during workouts, crash detection, and you can backtrack. In a remote setting, Apple Watch can record your route in case you get lost. So that's a really good feature. Setting up cellular. I'm gonna have to call and add that to my line, so I will be doing that. Double tap your index finger and thumb together twice to answer a call, so I can go like this and pick up a call, reply to a message, see your smart stack, and more. Depth. The Depth app can automatically open underwater and measure temperature, time, depth, and to 20 feet, and it's setting up right now. So yeah, this is the Apple Watch that I got. Super fire. I will be using it for the gym, for everything. I did have an Apple SE before, but now I have upgraded to the Hermès 46mm Apple Watch Series 10. So basically all you have to do is just press these two buttons, open it up. So you open this up thing here that's gonna be latching onto your band. Throw it in here. Pick the right hole that fits, which let's go ahead and test that. And there we have it. This is the Apple Watch. This is the band. It says Hermès right there. And this is the watch. So we're gonna go ahead and put this away. I did also buy a bumper case, an Insignia bumper case. It comes with a clear one and a black one. And I also got a screen protector. So we'll go ahead and add this. Again, this is the Apple Watch Series 10. This is the perfect fit. It's comfortable, stylish, and honestly feels like a piece of art on my wrist. But don't let the luxury fool you. This watch packs all the features Apple is known for, from fitness tracking to great connectivity with your iPhone. It says welcome to Apple Watch, and there it is. So there you have it, my unboxing for the Apple Watch Series 10 Hermès edition. This is my first impression. This is more than just a smartwatch. It's a statement piece, a tech powerhouse, and honestly, probably one of the best watch I've had. I love tech, I love Apple. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite feature of this new Apple Watch? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more tech, drip, lifestyle content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.